All right, a lot of cool updates and patches this week. One of that being, or one of those being, custom fields and values in both inbound web and outbound calling. So now, with referencing the internal variables like time and stuff like that, and the ones that we already inject for you, so the user persona and everything like that, you can now put in custom fields and values in all text-based channels and all voice-based channels inside of your AI assistants. And why this is really cool, I have this one here, and we could just favorite this one, so it's up here, where the only prompt that we have on it currently is current prompt, which if we go into my contact here, it's the current prompt is I've given it, hey, you're Jessica, tell the user a fun fact about space, and then call a tool, right? And so with this just being the prompt there, if I give this AI a call, you can hear it work in real time.
Hi, Jordan. Did you know that in space there's no sound because there's no air to carry sound waves?
All right, so we're pulling the prompt live via this right here. Now, what makes this so cool, and you voice guys and gals don't get too excited because this theoretically won't, you need to update the value inside of the call WebSocket to get a little techie. And so we'll have something for this. It'll be a GoHighLevel action saying update call. We'll have something for this probably before Monday, after Monday, for you to be able to do something similar to this to update these live because it's filled at the time the call starts, just to kind of differentiate them on the voice-based channels. But we'll have an action for you to do it. On text-based channels, however, this gets really fun. So if I text in here and I say hello, right? And we know our prompt is this: you're Jessica, tell them a fun fact about space, and then call the tool to switch your prompt, right? And I have a tool inside of my assistant while that generates here. It's just a custom tool that switches the prompt. And it calls to a workflow here, which just switches the prompt, right? And what that does, and let's talk to it here. You can kind of see all this kind of going down, right? So let's go here and let's say going well, smiley face. And so what it's going to be pulling here, and just this, and you can see it tell the user a fun fact about space. You're Jessica. This is the prompt that we're using for this one. And then once it tells us a fun fact about space, it's going to call the tool, switch its own prompt. And there you go, right? So now, if I go here, and I update this, and I tell the user a fun fact about the ocean. How fun is that? And so now you can localize prompts in memory with custom fields and values. So you can, in the calling snapshot that we have, that's in the marketplace, if you go to dashboard and you go to the marketplace, this first one right here, simple calling snapshot. This has calling memory inside of a custom field, and you can reference that in the prompt. And there you go. And in the same way in chat, you can now use this to dynamically change the prompt. You can use this to dynamically change information, tool calling structure, multi-calendar booking structure. This opens up a lot of doors, a lot of opportunity to play around with. So super, super fun. Custom fields and values in all text-based channels, all voice-based channels. Happy Friday.